Julian Kate S. Barcoma. I'm 23 years old, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and I'm here to represent my barangay, which is Miminangpao.
Ms. Barcoma, you have 5 questions from our judges to be answered, okay? So let's start with Dr.
Hi, Juzen. Juzen, did you pronounce it right?
Yes, Juzen.
I like your name, no? Juzen, no?
Thank you.
Very unique. As a pageant contestant, I've already considered you as a winner by just joining and by just presenting yourself here to the front, to the judges, no? So as a role model, how do you plan to inspire other young generations?
How can I inspire young generation is that, for the information of everyone, I have a disability, or I have a younger brother who have a disability, and he is blind. How can I inspire others? Because my young brother inspired me to appreciate life. Even though he can't see the world, but he sees the beauty inside of each person. I think he is more sighted than us because he appreciates our environment, he appreciates life, and he appreciates the beauty inside of each person. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Barcoma. Your main question, what is the most important lesson you've learned in your life and how would you apply it during your time as Bituin Taytay?
I think every challenge lies the seed of opportunity. And I think the most lesson I've learned in my life is that we should appreciate someone's sacrifices. I was raised by a single mother after the untimely death of my father. And I saw it firsthand how hard it is to making sacrifices and make more income for your children. That's why I joined this competition to advocate my advocacy, which is building stronger Taytayanos families by helping single parent. I think advocating single parent has more compassionate, resilience, and building stronger Taytay. Because I truly believe that a family is a foundation of love, hope, and a foundation of Taytay. Thank you.
Hi, Ms. Barcoma. So here's my question for you. Knowing that one of the 6-point agenda of our mayor is sustainability or sustainable tourism, as a candidate of Bituin Taytay, how will you participate in promoting sustainability in our municipality?
Sustainability is a huge part in our economy. As I said earlier, I'm a tourism graduate. So I think how we can promote sustainability is to involve our people in promoting sustainability and becoming them as a key stakeholders. I firmly believe or advocate as well the unity through history, a community engagement and empowerment to promote sustainability. I think it is important for us people of Taytay to be actively involved in promoting our tourism and sustaining our tourism as well. Because Taytay is more than just a place, but a way of connecting lives. Thank you.
Hello, Miss Barcoma. You're such a smart lady. Okay, so the question is, Pasingatan Festival is an annual long-month celebration that happens April to May. So what does a celebration signify to you as Taytayano?
Pasingatan is a huge part in our culture. And I think Pasingatan is only one celebration of our so many cultures here in Taytay. I think despite of our differences in religion, language, and culture, we still celebrate our Pasinggatan. And what's important is we celebrate it as one Taytay. Because I truly believe as well that kasaysayan, sining at kultura, tulay sa tunay na pagkakaisa is more than just a celebration. But it is a way of connecting life. It is a way of us being one Taytay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Barcoma. Ang galing mo. Okay, so my question is, what are the environmental issues that you notice here in Taytay, and how can you help to solve them?
Every challenge lies the seed of opportunity. I think the environmental issue that we face here in Taytay is climate change. We've felt it as of today because due to the extreme heat, there is a reported of having 44 degrees here in Palawan. I think we could limit this by protecting our Mother Earth or by conserving our environment. Because I believe that it is us to choose how we will be remembered, by destroying our environment or by one's safety. Thank you.